Panduit introduces the Pan-Steel stainless steel power tool with lithium-ion technology for enhanced productivity and improved operator safety. Designed to maximize performance and productivity, this hand tool is especially well suited for demanding shipbuilding, oil and gas, and industrial environments. This high-quality system is used to secure and fasten cable and devices across the physical infrastructure. The ergonomic tool design offers a compact, lightweight nose and body to improve tool balance for reduced operator fatigue. A 360-degree rotating head allows improved access to limited or confined spaces. The controlled tension mechanism provides consistent installations every time. Cable tie side entry allows for immediate positioning of tie and tool to help speed installation. The variable speed trigger increases operator control, providing safer and easier installations. Automatic cutoff allows easy one-hand installations for enhanced productivity. Improve productivity with quick identification of the battery life. Supplied with two 12-volt 1.4-amp quick-charge lithium-ion batteries, optimizing productivity. Panduit, building a smarter, unified business foundation.